How does Walmart's iPhone photo printing service work?
Welcome to your comprehensive guide on how to use Walmart's iPhone photo printing service. Whether you're looking to immortalize some beautiful memories or simply bring your digital art to life, this service is a convenient, user-friendly way to make that happen.
What is Walmart's iPhone photo printing service?
Walmart's iPhone photo printing service allows you to print high-quality photos directly from your iPhone. You can choose various sizes for your prints, ranging from small wallet-sized photos to larger poster-sized prints. The service is designed for ease of use and accessibility, making photo printing a hassle-free task.
How to use the service.
Here are the step-by-step instructions to get your photos printed. 1. Download and install the Walmart app on your iPhone if you haven't done so already. 2. Open the app and navigate to the photo printing section. 3. Choose the option to upload photos. You'll be able to select photos directly from your iPhone's photo gallery. 4. After selecting your photos, you can choose the size and quantity of prints. The app will automatically adjust the cropping to fit the selected size. 5. Once you've made your choices, you can add the prints to your cart and proceed to checkout. 6. You will then have the option to either pick up your prints in store at a nearby Walmart location or have them mailed to you.
How much does it cost?
Walmart's photo printing service is highly affordable, with prices varying based on the size of the print. Smaller, standard-sized prints usually start around 25 cents per print, with prices increasing for larger sizes. Always check the latest prices in the Walmart app to ensure you have the most current information.
What are the print quality and finish options?
Walmart offers prints in either glossy or matte finish, so you can choose according to your preference. The print quality is generally high, with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Keep in mind that the quality of the final print is largely dependent on the quality of the original photo. And that's how you use Walmart's iPhone photo printing service. It's a simple, fast, and affordable way to transform your digital memories into physical keepsakes. We hope this guide has been helpful and you'll soon be on your way to creating beautiful prints from your iPhone photos.